showing you how to download MetaTrader to your MacBook. So you come to this website, ClubForex website, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll click on download trading platform. It will bring you to this page, and what you're looking for is download MT4 for MacBook, right? It's either MT4, you want to download MT5. However, in this case, I want MT4. When you click on that, I already downloaded, so I'm just going to cancel this download. You will download as per usual and install it as per usual. Once you do that, you will land on this page, right? And then here, when you click here, you should type in the broker that you are using, okay? Depending on the broker, because if you're choosing this and then you go next, it won't allow you to, the finish button won't be clickable, so I'm not going to waste time talking about that. Search for any broker that you are using. Let me see if I say XM, if I click XM and then if I search for XM and then click on scan, let me see if you'll find it. XM, then you say scan, whatever broker that you're using. So it's scanning, looking for that broker. It doesn't seem to find it. Let me say Veracity. Veracity, it's a local broker, South Africa. There's Veracity, okay? There's another. So if you have already an existing account, which is a real account, you can go there. Now I'm just going to say demo account to illustrate some of the things. I'm going to click on demo account and then click on next. It is a new demo account, next. And then here I'm just going to put in dummy data. This next button, I'm not sure why it's not clickable. There. So I had to punch in a few digits there. This is like a code, okay? And I am depositing a $3,000 account. You can make it a standard account or USD standard, okay? And make sure that you'll notice if I delete this, it's going to say minimum characters, it's 5. So if it's red, it means that you need to put more details. Remember, make sure that you put in this code. And then once this is done, I agree to subscribe, then you click on next. Then it's going to open the demo account for you. And these are the details that you can use to log in on your mobile phone. Okay, once you click on finish, that's your username, that's your password, and this is the server. It's important when you're trading from other brokers that many have a couple of servers, to take note of the server that you are using, especially on a live account. When I click finish, you'll see here it's now connected, right? It means that it's connected, all right? Connected status, and that's your account right there. And I am going to scroll down. If you want to move this navigator, you can click Control N. Control. Hold on, I'm minimizing this. Most of the time I use a Windows machine. Anyway, you can just remove this. I don't like having this navigator on for space. If, for example, you're trading NASDAQ or US 30 or any other currencies that's not showing here, right click and then click on show all. What this will do is it will load all your currencies, your indices, everything that you want to trade will be shown here, okay? And this is how the setup would look like, which looks a bit dirty. What I'll do is I'm just gonna remove all these windows here because I just want to make it an explanation using US 30 or NASDAQ. So I'm going to close these, all of them. And then let's say I'm interested in the currency that's on the side, which is in this case, I'm interested in indices, that is US 30. I'm going to look for US 30, that's US 30. I'm going to click and drag and just drop it here. Double click to make it bigger, okay? If I'm going to come and look for NASDAQ and then I drag and drop on top of it, it will take away the US 30, okay? So how do I make sure that I have them both? As I haven't used MacBook for a while. So I'm just trying to see a way of how to, there you go. So if you want to get another pair or indices on your window, you can just click on here. It will minimize. I'm going to drag and drop. Let me just drag and drop US30. If I'm dragging and dropping US30, there it is. I have NASDAQ, I have US30. I'm just going to make this one bigger. And I want my charts to look cleaner. How do I do that? This, I'm going to right click, grid. Get rid of those grid, okay? You will see that the charts are starting here. This is not quite clear. I want to move the charts to the left a bit. I'm going to click this. If I click this, it moves the charts to the left a bit. If you feel like you want to move them further to the left, you can click here, click and hold, and move them backwards. Click and hold, move them here. Okay. And then let's zoom this. What we're looking at here, it's line charts. I like to use candlesticks. Change that into candlestick charts. And also I want to make my candles differ. So I want my bullish candles to be green and my bearish candles to be red. Right click in the middle of nowhere, go to properties, bull candle, green, yes. Bar down, which is the bearish candle, I want that red. And then we have bull candle, which is, we want that to be green. Bear candle, we want it red. That's good, that's fine. So by looking at this, I can see obviously the green candles, they're showing that the market is going up. The red candles, they're showing that the market is going down. So I've just created a template now, because if I come to NASDAQ, that means I have to click and do the same thing. No, I don't want to do that. I want my charts to always look like this. This is called naked charts with no indicators. So I'll save this template so that I can use it at any other currency or indices that I want to look into. So if you come here, templates, save template, and I'm going to name this one naked charts, because it is naked charts. Save it. Okay, there's that naked charts. It's there. It's saved. If I come to NASDAQ and I just want everything to be clean, I come to the charts, to the template, and then I'm just going to load that template. Then my charts, they look cleaner. There. Okay, that's your time frame, 1 hour 30 minutes time frame. But here we go. I just showed you how to download MT4 on your MacBook, or you can download MT5 on your MacBook from the website. Okay, so the rules or the steps that you take for Windows machine is pretty much the same, but this is how you want to do it. If you click here, you can start executing trades. 0. With US30 or NASDAQ, let's start with 0.01. You can change the lot size there. Okay, the nice thing about having to trade on your mobile phone, on your laptop or MacBook, is that you'll see here that's our balance. It's a demo account, guys. I'm literally using this to demonstrate the few basics that you will probably, or you'll definitely come across as you start trading. So if this is the case, I'm looking at this. When I want to execute a trade, I can click on buy. Or sell or buy. When I click on sell, there's my trade that I've executed. There's the profits. There's no stop loss. There's no take profit. This is the price where I took that trade. It tells me what trade that I've taken. It's US30, lot size. I've taken a sell and the time that I took it. Okay, this is just the price. The order number, and this is where the price is currently. This is where the price I took the trade. There's no swaps because this trade is not ran overnight. Okay, the commission is 0, but if I was using a big lot size, you would have seen a difference. Okay, the nice thing about doing it this way on your mobile phone, on the laptop or MacBook, is that if I want to set a stop loss or a take profit on your mobile phone, you'd have to punch in those digits and whatnot. Here, what you can do is you can click on, just click here to hide that. Here what you can do is, obviously we're selling, which means that we're saying that our target will be at the bottom. Here you can just click on where you entered. If you click and hold, if I drag this down, hold on, come on. If I drag this down as I'm holding, you will see that it shows me this is the profit that I'll be making in this trade. Let's just make it $40. If I'm putting it there, it shows that, oh, my profit is $40. And then also, if I'm dragging it up, which is it's going to be a stop loss, you will see that it says minus. Let's say I'm willing to lose $10, minus $10. I can put it there. The nice thing is you can move this thing any way how you want. That's like just by drag and drop. Whereby on your mobile phone you have to punch in those numbers, the time that the market moves, and then you're done doing all those modifications. It's too late. The market has drastically made a move. Okay. Also, the nice thing about this is I can simply close this trade. Or let me just take another trade maybe on NES. I'm just gonna use a big lot size so that you can see something. I don't care what I'm doing here, buying or selling. If I'm doing this, the bigger the lot size, obviously, the more money I'll lose. I can quickly close this trade, just like that. Also, I want to illustrate, this is me executing executing the trade literally on the market level at the time. One of the nice thing is when you're using your MacBook, your laptop, is if I want to put a sell stop or a buy stop, I can simply right click where the market is and say sell stop there. Okay. I can simply right click and put my buy stop right there. These are my orders. Currently, that's the trade that's running, which is this one. The orders are not filled yet. The market will fill me in once it gets there. I can just simply on the stop loss for this sell stop, which is this one. If I want to put a stop loss, I can double click here quickly. And then here it says stop loss. I can, because it's a sell, right? Which means that stop loss, it will be a number above this. Maybe let's say I want to put it there. I'm just going to put in maybe a 9 because it's a higher number. You'll notice that if I'm putting a 0, it's a number below where this order is. This modifier will not be clickable, which means that I need to put a number that's higher than where this price is. So let me just put a 9. You'll see what I'm talking about. When I click modify, there's the stop loss right above. Okay, I can click on that stop loss and drag it. As you'll see, when I drag it up, it says minus $2,000. Right? That's the stop loss. There it is. I can change the stop loss as well. Okay, I can change the stop loss just by simply dragging it. Come on, by simply dragging. If I'm changing or dragging my order, the stop loss will also move. Same applies with my take profit. If I double click on the TP, right here, remember it's a sell, which means that whatever number that I'm punching in or price, it has to be lower than where the market is or my order is. So if I'm going to do that, let me just say 6 because we are selling. Modify. Sorry. That stop TP, which is this one. This is the one. Take profit, that one. So I'm going to put in 4. Let me put 4. When I say 4, there's my take profit. I want to have this stop loss, this take profit down here. I can drag this all the way down. You'll see the profit there. It's $10,000. Again, guys, there's no way that I'll be using this lot size. Not anytime soon. But I'm just trying to illustrate how to put your buy stops and sell stops and how to put those those stop losses and take profit. Okay, I'm just going to move the stop loss higher. Again, if I'm moving my order, the stop loss and take profit will move along. Can you see that? And then I can literally, if I don't want this order anymore, which is this one, I can close it just like that. I don't want this order as well, I can close it. Let me just, this trade will be executed, this order will be executed once the market gets there. So this is it, just basically showing you guys how to plot, how to download MT4 on your MacBook, having your creating a template, and that template can be used at any other currencies. So if I'm double clicking here to add maybe Euro USD or whatever USD CAD, if I'm dragging it there, double tap, this is how the market looks. This is dirty. I want naked charts. I come and I put in my naked charts template. There's the market. Then I can do what I want to do.